Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Apple price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly chart here for the overview. Where are we in Apple? Where are we heading? We have of course a triple 112s here with the yellow, blue and the orange count, plus of course the white count internal counting for your wave 3, of course toward the upside where you have triple 112s as well. And that because we see, of course, continuation toward the upside with a longer wave, which is your wave 3 here, after having a triple 112s. So basically, we are looking here at a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probably very close to finish this wave 5 here for Apple and finishing with it the wave 3 in the gray scenario where you have a big 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 4, 5 continuation toward the upside, of course, were several 4, 5s to finish this impulse, meaning Apple is a very bullish, of course, and still looking for several 1, 2s and several 4, 5s in the top. Inside this wave, if we close up a little bit here, we can see, of course, that inside this wave we have a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave 3, and finished a correction for a wave 4, and now continuation in an ending a diagonal probably for your wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 has to be, of course, shorter than your wave 3, and that because to preserve the characteristic of an ending diagonal, of course, which where your wave 3 has to be shorter than your wave 1 and your wave 5 shorter than your wave 3. Meaning your wave 5, of course, will take the all-time high and probably, of course, a little bit higher and start, of course, a new correction for a wave 4 soon or later. Now, if we dive a little bit deeper inside this ending diagonal to see what's going on inside it, here we go. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Continuation toward the upside, we have hit perfectly as per our analysis the blue box, which is given was a perfect time as well between the 0.38, 0.5 levels. At 219, we have started, of course, a new move toward the upside here after having ABC for a wave 1, ABC correction for your wave 2, and an A, B, and a C for your wave 3. Currently, this, of course, can be still a wave 4, possibly, of course, in your bearish scenario, in case you are still bearish, and it can be as well finished. Yeah, it can be as well finished as zigzag toward the downside. And as A, B, and a C, you are now looking for an impulse toward the upside to finish a first wave A, and then correction, taking the high probably correction, and then continuation for one more impulse, small impulse, between the 0.618, even a little bit higher. We have to adjust with the latest scenario. Yep, even higher to reach, of course, is this wave 5 in a zigzag, A, B, and a C. So our next blue box, I would say, is the following here, and of course between the $294 and $318. Very nice price action, of course, for the Apple. Now, regarding the timing, I would say let's take the 1-to-1 fib time taken from here. So this, yeah, between the 1-to-1 and exactly here. Here we go. Let me check. Is this one? Yes, perfect. Perfect. So yeah, the timing would be exactly between the 1-to-1 fib level here and the 0.618, yeah, for this wave 5. Here we go. And this starting from June, of course, 2023, 2025, 23 June. And the perfect time would be, of course, 29 September, reaching, of course, this zone in A, B, and a C. Of course, probably here an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Correction, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, to hit perfectly this level. Yeah, so this was it for Apple. Nice price action, and your target, possible target, 292, 315. Now, last thing I would like to move inside here is the 1 hour chart, and to take a look, of course, what if we are bearish? So your bearish scenario as well can be because you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse and probably wave 2, yeah, for your continuation for your impulse. but also it can be a zigzag. Don't forget that this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 can turn into a zigzag and then moving toward the downside. Meaning, if you have here reached the 1-to-1 fib level, let's take the 1-to-1 fib level for a zigzag. This target as 1-to-1 is of course your key level between bullish and bearish. Meaning, when you hit the 253, you are in a crossroad between bearish and between bullish. Because of course, if you are bearish here, you would like, of course, to move toward the downside after 3 corrective wave in a zigzag, meaning you would like to still finishing a zigzag toward the downside. Impulse, correction, impulse. And then continuation again toward the upside after hitting again the blue box with a perfect time as well. Yeah, so very, very likely as well still that Apple might still move toward the downside, of course. A key level to be watched, of course, for your bearish signal. In case we overshoot this wave, therefore you have to make sure that you are in wave 3, 4, and a 5, ABC, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to hit perfectly again our wave 5. Yeah, time with the time as well would be perfect. That was it for Apple. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.